Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to stop pop-up ads on the AGM H6. So first go ahead and open Google Chrome, and then press on the three little dots here and click Settings. Next search for the Site Settings option. Here it is. Next, look for the options regarding pop-up ads. Here it is. Pop-up and redirects. By default it's blocked. If you want to, for some reason, disable it, you can do it here by enabling them. I'm of course going to block pop-up ads. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.